Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rosie Rosano, 35 years old, single. I live in Pinaskuhan, Maasin City, Southern Leyte. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am number 4 of the family. I am cheerful, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and long patience. I love to learn the new things and I will follow the instruction of my employer. I want to apply abroad to support the needs of my family because I am the breadwinner of the family and to give the needs of my niece and my nephew. They live with us. My working experience in the abroad are in Hong Kong and Kuwait. My first employer since 2019 to 2022 is in Kuwait. One couple, 5 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My main duties are taking care of the babies, sending school with the babies, feeding the babies, cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing. And my second experience is in Hong Kong. I take care of elderly person. He was 67 years old with cancer. My main duties are accompany him to hospital, giving him medicine, taking him a bath, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry. Since 2023 to 2024, I was terminated because my employer need a new helper that can understand and speak Cantonese due to his condition. That's all and thank you.